Hello guys, we're back with another video. Today, I have a question for y'all. Which fruit is better, blizzard or ice? Well, we're gonna find out today, so make sure to watch the video to the end. And make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. See you guys later. Guys, I feel like they're fighting away over here. They're fighting over here. Oh. Got you. Where do you go? Oh. Diamond's so OP. Oh my gosh, Diamond is too OP. Yeah, Diamond's just... Okay, hold up. Oh, I mean the moon. That's Diamond. Is that... What? Hello? And they spawn me right to the gunfight. There you go. Oh, I was about to say, yo, why? I didn't even get one hit, bruh. Not even one hit. Come on, gang. Not even one hit? You gonna bully me? That's because it is called bullying. This is called bullying! That's literally bullying. I don't even want to play the game no more. Well, okay. What's up, y'all? Round 2. Lucky. Wait. Wait, how do you... Yes. Who just got destroyed? Oh, it's the... I don't think it's Diamond. Yes. Okay, good. Finally. Oh my gosh. I feel like you just can spam that, like... I feel like you just spam that. How do you have that already? You can definitely just spam that Diamond. I'm not playing no more. Diamond? Look guys, we're gonna keep fighting. I'm destroying everyone. Got you. Look at that. See, like I said, I was destroying everyone. What you doing? So, we're not getting chilly. Yo, that was just a 2-shot combo. Buddy, no one told you to do that on me. Okay? Calm down. Nigga think this is a Fortnite game. Oh, that's the N-word. Oh, you gotta be hacking, gang. It's a Fortnite game. Yo, there's no way I should be dying like this. It's ice. Huh? There's no way. Oh yeah, I'm dead. I'm dead. Yo. Yeah, I can't compete, bruh. I'm getting destroyed left and right by two people who's too good. Plus, I have to use that. I'm lagging. There's 3 people fighting. Yeah, I'm not. This trash. This game's trash. It's not trash. I love it so much. Guys, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so I can get better. Oh, I already know. Hey. Wait, aren't you about to die? I swear, this guy's got. Yeah, goodbye guys, goodbye. Hit that make sure. Hey guys, yeah. Guys, I'm finally back. Yo, and there's a fight. There's a fight, but I'm lagging. You already know what it is. I'm about to destroy both of them. Hold on. Whoa. Can I stop lagging for a second? I don't know. What? Oh my gosh. I can't be starting to go like this, y'all. No way. This is my first time playing guys and I get destroyed. Nah, I'm not letting that happen. Hold on. Sorry for the lagging. If you guys can see, I'm lagging. What? Hello? Is he running away? Yeah. No, he wasn't. I'm dead. No, I want my ones. Okay. First time back, so of course I'm gonna be a little less. You know, I'm glad I'm back. Glad you guys are back too. Yo, why are you hating me? They just be trying to you're fighting. Okay, go what? You're running? I'm about to die. Oh my god. I'm about to die. Yo, that's not even cool, gang. Yo, I thought you told my character's really black, man. Okay. People in the comments say, you're just bad at the game. Get better. Nah, I'm not that. It's just like I'm lagging. If I wasn't lagging, then I would be too good.